today I'm doing this go-to fall makeup look. I've been doing this a lot. I do more subtle for an everyday look, but then I will go more intense, a little bit more like what I've done right now if I'm going out, going to an event, which I am going to. At times it might look like I'm naked, but I'm not. I'm wearing this new Steele top that I've been wearing every single day, dropping in the holiday collection, so look out for that. I feel like it's just super sexy and sultry. Anyways, let's get into it. My skin is moisturized right now already, but I'm gonna use this Dermablend foundation. I've also showed this in a couple of videos because I really love it right now. It's good for the drier months. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff, so use sparingly. So this doesn't match at all. Great. Normally I wouldn't be using concealer for this look, but because I messed up my face color, I need to go in with some concealer and fix it up a bit. Keep in mind, I'm like really hot right now in this bathroom trying to film this. There's no AC. So that could be why my skin looks like different. So I'm not gonna put any concealer on underneath my eyes because we are embracing those today. I actually have this Urban Decay De-Slicked. It's a super mattifying powder. For bronzer, I'm using this super beat up Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit that I've had forever. This is kind of gross. I'm using this Sephora it's a foundation brush, but I use this brush for contour because it's like, basically this look I'm going for dead but hot. So with the bronzer, I really want it to be like hollowed out, sculpted, not like an overall bronze. I also like to contour my nose, not just for like making it look slimmer, but overall it blends with all the shadows. You know, if I add shadows here, I feel like I should add shadows in the middle of my face too. For brows, I'm using the Brow Gal eyebrow pencil in 02. I actually really like this one because it comes with a sharpener at the end, and I feel like all penciled stuff should have this because I cannot keep track of my loose sharpener. Also for Halloween, I was a Joker and I put eyelash glue in my eyes to do like glitter on top of them. I feel like something else would have been better, but I was kind of just rushing at the time. When I was taking it off, we lost a good chunk in my eyebrow there. I honestly hate doing my eyebrows because they never turn out how I like them to. They're always off and then I try to go back. It's kind of like winged eyeliner, but eyebrows. Because I actually really like doing winged eyeliner. I always like to set my brows just so they are groomed upwards, kind of more bushy. And because they're long, I want them to stay in place. This brow gel is from the Beauty Counter and I like it for filling in my brows when I don't want to use a whole pencil. But I'm not gonna say it's the strongest holding thing. Now that we got our base down, it's time for the fun part. So I'm gonna move on to eyes, and I'm using this Pat McGrath palette, Mothership 4 palette. The packaging on this is just beautiful. All of our stuff is so pretty. These colors are amazing. I love the foily looking ones. This is what I've been using lately. Big fan of the aesthetic. A lot of times if I'm moving fast on this, I'll use these bronzers, and from like the nose contour, bring it into my eye just so the base is all cohesive, I guess. So I'll just take colors like this, the matte browns. Honestly, doesn't have to be matte, but I just want to make the lids really dark. And then instead of being precise with my under eye eyeshadow, I just kind of go crazy down here. Like, we are embracing these dark circles to the full. This is nice if you're lazy too, because then you don't have to worry about fallout, because it honestly helps with the look. I always like to have my eyeshadow go out like this. It flows back into the bronzer that I do here, so like I said, everything kind of blends together. And my eyes are really round, like even maybe like turned down a bit. So I like to do a cat eye all the time to like lift them up. I kind of just go crazy with this and take a step back and just kind of see how I'm liking the overall shape of everything going on and just blend, blend, blend. And then I just like to accentuate the dark circles, you know. Takes so much to cover them. Why not just embrace them? I'm using the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay. So I just feel it out as I go. If I'm just gonna wear this during the daytime, I will probably leave it at this for the eyes, but I am actually going to an event right now, so I'm gonna make it a little bit darker. I'm just gonna take this one dark shade, and I focus this on the inside corner, the outside corner, and then just blend. Lastly, for eyeshadow, I like to take one of these shimmery colors and pat it on the middle of my eye. For cheeks, I like to use a pretty dramatic blush, kind of like this one from Chanel or this Dior one that I love. I will mix them all together. I have this MAC one called Blush Baby. I also like to use this bronzy highlighting looking color from this Dior Backstage palette. I use a lot of blush for this look, but I've been really loving it in general lately. So I go in on this part, and it really makes your cheekbones pop. This is my favorite face palette. I've gone through 2 of them, and this one is broken, gone. They've been through it. So then I just take these highlight colors up here, and I like these ones because they're not super intense. It's a very natural glow, just not aggressively shiny. I'll just use my fingers and put this underneath my brow. Lastly, I'll throw a nude lip on. I've been using this Pat McGrath one too. This is in the color Christy, but I love the ColourPop ones. I love the Kylie Lip Kit ones. I love anything that has good color payout. I also like to pat my lips and then put it on my cheeks too, just so the colors kind of match. So this is my go-to fall look right now. I just love the sultry darkness. It's like super sexy, and the shadows work really well to contour your face. I think it's just a fun, different way to do your makeup. So that was my go-to fall makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Like, you guys can be completely honest. I know it's a little bit different of what you would expect to do, like not covering up your dark circles and going crazy with the blush and making everything dark and blended instead of sharp and clean and crisp. But that's just kind of my style, and I think it looks really cool. So thanks for watching again. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see in the comments down below. Thanks, bye guys.